Who are you talking to, Connor? Okay, it's March 3rd, 2007. They're 21 months old, and we just came back from dinner. And for the first time, Connor and Sophia had 2 Oreo cookies. It's half an hour past their bedtime, and somebody's extra hyper. Who's that, Connor? You being silly. You got the answer machine? Thank you, baby. You're getting tall. What are you looking at?
Help, Mama.
Okay, I'll help.
Help.
There it is.
Help.
Say thank you.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, Sophia. Okay, it's time for bedtime. No?